Okay, so this is attempt number 1 of trying to get my husband into Hubs with me. It's stating that I have 2 people in here. He's in the lobby. And that would be his avatar. So he's trying to figure out how to get in here. There he is. All right, so now I'm going to ask him, he's on a cell phone. I'm just trying to figure out what the capabilities are for other users if they are on a non-desktop or laptop version. So, Steve, can you try and move your avatar around?
Yeah. Like this?
Yeah, can you try and move your avatar going left or right? There he goes. All right, so you're floating around. Awesome. I'm just trying to track him where he's going. All right, so now, Steve, do you see where it says on the bottom? I don't know exactly what it looks like on the phone, where it says chat.
Yep.
Can you type me a message? Okay. There's a green button that when you click it, you'll be able to see all of these little icons.
Okay.
How about you try and do a GIF? And let's keep it PG.
It's taking a while to load up on the phone.
Okay. That's my thank you. Oh, look at you. No. my infamous word. No. So what I'm seeing is that because it's, it's actually reflected. Huh. There we go. But facing him, it's actually turned in the right direction. So as you can see, when you post something, get myself turned around, depending on where you're standing, is a reverse image. All right. So this is my first initial exploration of bringing somebody into this VR world with me. Steve, can you meet me over here? With your avatar. No.
There's no explanation on how to move your avatar while you're on the phone.
Okay. So
is it via double finger?
we can try that. So this is going to be something that I'm going to have to do a little more research and digging on when somebody is on a phone device, especially if I want the adult partners to enter into this room and might not have a laptop capability with them. All right. Also to note that adult partners entering into this VR space will, or anybody will also need an email address too, so that I can put out and send out codes to link into. Students, I can just share the code and that has access to it, but for adult partner purposes, I would actually expect them to have an email address. All right. Thanks, Steve.